Class 8 Geography Chapter 2 Land, Soil, Water, Natural Vegetation and Wildlife Resources. Part 1. Answer the following. 1. What are the possible reasons behind uneven distribution of population around the world? Answer. The uneven distribution of population in different parts of the world is mainly due to varied characteristics of land and climate. 2. Why is land considered as an important resource? Answer. Land is used for different purposes such as agriculture, forestry, mining, building houses, roads and setting up of industries. This is commonly termed as land use. 3. What are the factors that determine the pattern in which a particular region is used? Answer. The use of land is determined by physical factors such as topography, soil, climate, minerals and availability of water. Human factors such as population and technology are also important determinants of land use pattern. 4. Classify the land on the basis of ownership. Answer. Land can also be classified on the basis of ownership as private and community land. Private land is owned by individuals, whereas community land is owned by the community for common uses like collection of fodder, fruits, nuts or medicinal herbs. 5. Suggest methods to conserve land resource. Answer. Afforestation, land reclamation, regulated use of chemical, pesticides and fertilizers, and checks on overgrazing are some of the common methods used to conserve land resources. 6. Define soil. Answer. The thin layer of grainy substance covering the surface of the earth is called soil. 7. Give a brief description of soil composition or layer of soil. Layer of soil. Topsoil with humus and vegetation. Subsoil with sand, silt and clay. Weathered rock material. Barren rock. 8. Write the major factors affecting the formation of soil. Answer. The major factors affecting the formation of soil are 1. Barren rock. It determines color, texture, chemical properties, mineral content and permeability. 2. Relief. Altitude and slope determine accumulation of soil. 3. Flora, fauna and microorganisms affects the rate of humus formation. 4. Time determines thickness of soil profile. 5. Climate. Temperature, rainfall influence rate of weathering and humus. 9. List the causes of soil degradation. Answer. Factors which lead to soil degradation are deforestation, overgrazing, overuse of chemical, fertilizers and pesticides, rainwash, landslides and floods. 10. Explain the different methods of soil conservation. Answer. Some methods of soil conservation are listed below. Mulching. The bare ground between plants is covered with a layer of organic matter like straw. It helps to retain soil moisture. 2. Contour barriers. Stones, grass and soil are used to build barriers along contours. The trenches are made in front of the barriers to collect water. 3. Rock dam. Rocks are piled up to slow down the flow of water. This prevents gullies and further soil loss. Terrace farming. Broad flat steps or terraces are made on the steep slope so that flat surfaces are available to grow crops. They reduce surface runoff and soil erosion. 5. Intercropping. Different crops are grown in alternate rows and are sown at different times to protect the soil from rainwash. 6. Contour plugging. Plugging parallel to the contours of a hill slope to form a natural barrier for water to flow down the slope is called contour plugging. 7. Shelter belts. In the coastal and dry regions, rows of trees are planted to check the wind movement to protect soil cover.